Bill Goudy checking in. Another long day. There's a chance tonight of some severe weather. Yeah, just a slight, I think 20% chance. And it looks like there's some just a little bit to the south of us. But I think once that passes, it should be all right. I think it's 7. Here, Lucy Lou? Yeah? Is it 7? Yeah, a little bit after 7. I'm going to do something I saw over on Christie's cooking channel. I'll put a link to her down below. I just got to do this. I tell you what, it's been bugging me ever since I went YouTuber-y. She made a blue cheeseburger. Oh, man, that looked good. Now, she used a regular tube hamburger, and inadvertently I got out a package of deer burger, which is fine. You know, I just got to make sure it's cooked thoroughly, that's all. And I won't make my burgers as near as thick as hers. But yeah, they look good. I'm going to use Aaron Nelson's brown mustard. Oh man, I can't wait. You're just going to have to check it out. I'm going to use Ezekiel buns. That's true. Ezekiel sprouted grain buns. Yes, they're expensive. They're low glycemic, no flour. They're flourless. They are sprouted grains. They're hard to find. You find them frozen when you do find them. All right, let's get to cooking, shall we?
94.5 I love.
I know, come on. She's sitting here waiting, looking at me, wondering if I'm talking to her or not. Come on, get up here. Get it over with. I have to wash my hands again. Come on. Is that tripod in your way? Oh, not too bad. All we got to do now is sit back and wait. I got some pork in that deer meat, so it's got to reach 160 degrees. I can't have anything rare. I don't like my burger rare anyway, so yeah, I'm going to cook it low and slow. And those pickle bologna hot dogs are already cooked. I just got to warm them up, so I'm just going to put them on the side, you know. I really, there's more food there, but she'll eat a little bit, and I want to have some for breakfast. I think I'm going to cut them a couple of them hot dogs up for my scrambled eggs in the morning. I don't know if I'll bring you along on that or not, but Carolina Chris gave me this koozie. I sure do like it. It'll fool you though, the weight of the koozie, and you think there's more fluid in there than there is. It works good for amber fluid as well. Yeah, it's an all-around, and it does work good. Listen, it's been a long day. Got a lot of mowing done. Check this out. I lost my river view. It's all leaved in now. I won't see it now until fall, once the leaves are gone. You want to get down? You want to go get them? All right. I'm hoping these burgers turn out good. Oh, they sure did look good, and you know how much I like blue cheese. Okay, I'll bring you back when things are done. I think I'm going to have to eat inside. It's been overcast. It rained on me a little bit today, just sprinkled, not a major rain or anything. But it's humid and muggy, and a little bit of a breeze coming up. But I think it's low supposed to be 68 tonight, so no rest. I'll bring you back. You're gonna hear it. Look. Let's look at that goodness. I don't have a fresh mater yet. I got some green ones on, but I don't have anything to cut. I don't have anything to pick. Oh, let's dig into that, shall we? Well, you're going to ask, what is that on top of your cottage cheese? That is just peppercorn. Yeah, just fresh ground pepper. I like pepper on my cottage cheese. I just like that. And that's what I'm going to have. I'm prepared. I know it's going to be messy. Oh. We'll get your priority straight. Yeah. Hey, I've had way too many of the vessels of amber fluid due to that YouTubery, so I got to get back into my low carb before I start. Yeah. What do you want? You want some? I think she's wanting some. Well, bush it's not, but it is refreshing. Alright, let's dig into this. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, is that good? I'm so hungry. Hot brown mustard. That smoky flavor. Oh man, the blue cheese. Oh, let's have a little cottage cheese now. And then I'm gonna turn the camera off, finish eating, take a shower, hit the hay, and do it all again tomorrow. It's dark. We're out of daylight. What's new about that, huh? Oh, thank you for watching. I sure do appreciate it. You want one of those hot dogs? Lucy wants one of those hot dogs. I'll cut it up for you. Thanks for watching. Good Goudy out. It's like that's Lucy Lou approved. Oh my. What? Oh, what a breakfast. That is awesome.